In this video, we will discuss about the amplifier. So what is mean by amplifier? The amplifier is the electronics device which converts weak signal into the strong signal. Okay. Weak signal convert into the strong signal. That means the amplifier. The amplifier is nothing but electronics device which converts weak signal into the strong signal. The important thing is the shape of the signal should be same. The shape of the signal should not alter. Okay. So that is the amplifier. So amplifier is the electronics device which converts weak signal into the strong signal without alter the shape of the signal. Okay. So this kind of the input shape and output shape will be same. This kind of amplification is called it as a faithful amplification. Faithful amplification. If any electronic circuit will be act as the amplifier, there should be the condition. Let us consider this may be the amplifier. So amplifier is nothing but any electronic circuit. So the amplifier having 4 terminal, otherwise 2 port, input port and output port. There will be the 4 terminals, 1 dash, 2 dash. This one is the input port, this one is the output port. Okay. There should be the condition. If this network, this electronic circuit may act as the amplifier, there should be the condition. What is the condition? The input resistance or impedance. The output resistance or impedance having some condition. What is the condition means? The input resistance or I, otherwise input impedance Zi should be low. Input impedance or input resistance should be low. Output resistance or output impedance should be high. If it is purely DC network, we call it as resistance. If it is a AC network, we call it as impedance. Okay. This is the condition for amplifier. The input resistance or impedance should be low. Output resistance or output impedance should be high. This is the concept of amplifier. If any electronic circuit may act as the amplifier, it should satisfy input impedance is low, output impedance will be high. Okay. Say, let us consider this is the input impedance or resistance. This is the output impedance or output resistance. Let us take this is a 10 ohm. This may be 1000 ohm. Otherwise 1 kilo ohm. Okay. This one is a input resistance or input impedance. This may be output resistance or output impedance. Okay. The same current will flow in this circuit. Let us consider the same current will flow this current. Maybe the current, let us take 1 amps. We assume the current flowing through this network is a 1 amps. Now we have to calculate what is the input voltage. V equal to I into R. The current will be the same current, so that I take I current into Ri, input resistance. Similarly, output voltage equal to the same current will flow through input impedance and output impedance. So I into output resistance is R0. So what is the input voltage? Input voltage equal to I value is 1 amps. Input resistance is 10 ohm. So the input voltage equal 10 volt. What is the output voltage? Output voltage equal the current will be the same current flow through input resistance and output resistance. So the current will be 1 amps into Output resistance is 1K, otherwise 1000 ohm. So 1000 ohm. So output voltage equal 1000 volt. So input signal is very weak, only 10 volt. Output signal is amplified. The output voltage is 1000 volt. This is the concept of amplifier. If any electronic circuit may act as the amplifier, it should satisfy this condition. Input impedance or resistance should be low, output impedance or output resistance should be high. Okay. So which basic electronics device will act as the amplifier means, that is transistor. So BJT, we call it as bipolar junction transistor. The basic electronics component which is act as amplifier is transistor, otherwise BJT, bipolar junction transistor. So bipolar junction transistor will act as the amplifier. In the next video, how this BJT will be act as the amplifier, we will see in the next video. Please kindly subscribe the channel, share your friends. Thanks for watching.